We may still be in spring right now, but before you know it, we'll be in summer. And during summer is when Rope Youth does their summer feeding program. But this year they'll be able to do more for the program because of a very generous donation, a food truck. Hunter Alcacer has more on what that means for them and how it helps students learn and eat in the summer months. Hunter?
Yeah, Rachel, it's almost that time of year for Rope Youth when they once again launch their summer feeding program. And with this new food truck, they're excited that they'll be able to feed even more kids. I spoke with the executive director of Rope Youth, Carl Borowski, about what's in store for the program this summer and how much their newest food truck will help them. Every summer, Rope Youth does their summer feeding program, which gives meals to kids in the community for free. Before, they only had one food truck, but recently they've been donated another.
And a gentleman just says, hey, you know, I had a business used this food truck and not using it anymore, and I really feel like, you know, you could utilize it. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to get it wrapped and make it look like the one we have that we're in right now, and we're just going to go from there.
Borowski says even with only one food truck, they did well last year and were able to feed a lot of kids.
Last summer, we were like 140 away from serving 9,000. So we're really don't really know what to expect this summer, but we're going to be prepared and be ready.
But now with this generous donation, one thing's for sure.
That means a lot more kids will get fed this summer.
Borowski says that they're still looking for partners for this year's summer feeding program, and any help offered is welcome. Rachel?